we're going to show you how to make skillet cornbread. So the first thing you're going to need that I have in this bowl here is 1 1/4 cup cornmeal. I'm using yellow cornmeal. You can use white cornmeal if you like. We have 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. You can substitute whole wheat flour if you'd like, but I do recommend you use whole wheat pastry flour so it's not too heavy and dense. We're also using 1 3/4 cup buttermilk. We have a mixture here of 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Alright, and the final ingredient is actually going to be an egg. I'm using a flax egg, which we covered in our cooking with flax video. So if you have no idea what flax is or what a flax egg is, I recommend you go watch that. But we just use it as an egg replacement. So we're just going to mix all these together here. Alright, and while you're preparing this, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and you're going to want to actually stick a 8-inch cast iron skillet that you have oiled or buttered into your preheating oven while it's still cold, so that's in there right now. Alright, so we're just going to finish mixing this up here. This is what it'll look like when everything comes together. And now we're just going to wait a few minutes until our oven's finished preheating before we stick this in. Alright, our oven is preheated, and you can see we have a piping hot cast iron skillet here that I do have just about a tablespoon of oil in. If you prefer, you can use butter, but I do find that oil is less likely to burn when it's in the oven. Alright, so all we're going to do now is pour our cornbread right in here. Careful that you don't splash any oil anywhere. Alright, make sure that's even. Okay, then we're just going to stick this right back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown on top, and we'll see you back here then. Welcome back. It's been about 20-25 minutes or so since we put our cornbread in the oven, and it's nice and golden brown on top. So what we're going to do really is just take a knife, insert it in the center, and you want it to come out pretty clean. You can see there's not a lot of, cornbread mix stuck on there, so that means it's done. You're going to want to let it cool for about 5 minutes or so, really just kind of let it set up. And then you can cut and serve. It goes great with our hearty lentil stew or 3-bean chili. And it's great with any kind of soup or hearty dish that you have. So if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like, share with your friends, and as always, subscribe so you never miss another recipe. Thank you.